Alright, this video is going to be about adding widgets to your mycliq page. Go ahead and navigate to your dashboard and click on the edit icon for an existing mycliq page. Now, scroll down until you find the show widget settings. I'm going to expand that. There are 3 different types of widgets you can add right now. The first is going to be an image widget. So you can click add image. I'm going to just select an image from my gallery here. Let's do this one. All right, and you'll notice that the image appears in a floating widget. It's also animated as well. You can choose the position of the widget. You can have it be above the first row of links. I'm just going to keep it below for now. I'm going to go ahead and actually remove this image really quickly so I can show you a different setting. You can change the layout to be 2 images. So I'm going to click 2 images and I'm going to select 2 images here. This one and this one. I'm going to click add 2 images. And now you'll see that you have a square format of widgets instead. You can also add a video. So I'm going to click add video and I'm just going to grab a URL of a video that I want to share. So I'll just click share, copy. Let's go back to the dashboard. I'm going to paste the URL here. And you have the video embedded. You'll notice that you can also position this to be above the first row of links. So you can kind of section off different parts of your page if you wish. I'm going to go ahead and keep this on the bottom. I'm going to drag this up to reorder it so that it is above the images. Now, the final widget you can add is going to be a music player. So I'm just going to go ahead and grab this artist profile here. I'm going to copy that link and I'll paste it here. Now you'll notice that you have an embedded music player. I'm actually going to have it display right at the top of the page. And once I've figured out the arrangement of my widgets, all I have to do is save changes, go back to the dashboard, and I can view my live page. I'm just going to move it to mobile view first. And this is what it looks like. Pretty cool. That's it for widgets. See you in the next one.